converts those over so that the touch events are used back and forth. So if you've got some logic you've already got in place, it's very easy to move it in here and take advantage of it. The SIP and web browser controls actually have gestures in place, so things such as swipes, zooms, all the rest of it are handled for you, so you don't have to worry about that. The controls themselves handle it, and you just kind of plug it in. The scroll viewer is just like Silverlight. Again, it's got flicks, it's got zooms, it's got all those pieces in place that's already hanging in there. So you've got the flick and pan for free, which is very, very useful for you, especially for if you've ever done any timing between, you know, what's a pan and what's a flick. It's all in the timing on that, how quickly they're doing it, how quickly they're drawing, how fast they're doing it. All that's being handled for you outside your code, so you don't even need to worry about that. You just get the flick gestures, the pan. You can actually pull into that. You can actually get the raw gestures themselves, the raw manipulations, if you want to do that. If you've done anything with multi-touch in Windows Presentation Foundation, all that kind of came in through here, and you're actually going to be seeing a lot of different capabilities with that if you want to do something interesting. Most people that are working with Silverlight generally want a lot of it handled for them. You're going to get more into that raw work when you're actually looking at what's happening with some of the games, some of the XAML work. So just something to keep an eye on there. It's actually handling it for you, and you don't have to worry so much. The input itself, having a phone is nice. We kind of, but you don't need a lot of input if you can get the number, or even you do voicemail, voice dialing. But if you're having your applications, you kind of want input coming in from the user and working with that. The text box integrates with the software keyboard. Some of the phones have hardware keyboard. Some of the phones have software. Only have the software keyboard. You don't have to worry about either one. You set it up and you say, this is the text box, and I can let them use input. The OS will figure